tutorial we will show you how to create nodes. So when you have created a graph, you can start creating nodes. Either click on the create node button, you can create on the plus here, or you can just double click on the white space. Nodes have different types. They can be shapes, they can be texts, they can be icons, they can be images, or they can be any of predefined node types that you might have defined before. So here we start with the most simple version, which is a shape, and we can give it a name. And the node is created. We can create other nodes of the same just by rapidly double clicking, give it a name, and hit save. In addition to shapes, we can take text nodes. Text nodes have a heading. And they might have a text, and this text can be multi-line. Looks like this. And we can save it. Just delete those again. We can have nodes that are of type icon. Icon mean we can select some icon, whatever, health. Let's take a doctor, and this is created. A node can also be of type image, and there is a default image, but of course we can change it. Take the sports car, save, and we have an image node. We can edit nodes. So in this case, it was a shape node. Can edit it, and we can give it other colors. We can also copy this color for the font color. We can take an ellipse if we want, and then update the node. And we have modified it. Out of this node, we can also create a node type. So if we hit edit and we say create a node type, and I call this ellipses, and we have created a node type. From now on that we created this node type, we can create other nodes of the same node type. Here you see ellipses, the ones that I created. Ellipse number 2. And it has been created. So we can define some formattings and reuse them as often as we want. Okay, this is tutorial about nodes. The next tutorial will be about links.